can see the baffle is rusted away. That would go back here. And then these aren't the correct blades. The center one is loose. Have to try tightening that up. You can see they just barely clear over there. The deck shell isn't in the best of shape. Been welded on this side. The adjusters are froze. That's the snowblower. I just put a brand new carburetor on this Kohler engine. It has new spark plugs about 3 years ago. Wasn't ran at all last year, probably a year and a half. I bought this new battery, I think it's about 3 years old. Those batteries are expensive. It's a rubber band for the gas tank. It's missing one band, and then the front part is rotted off, so it could use another gas tank strap. Hydraulic lift works, hydro works. I've got a rear lift here. I do have a cable and the roller, but you need another pin to mount the roller. The seat has some cracks. The snowblower works well. You can see the edge down there, and then see the auger. I did use it for 2 years snow blowing, and it does blow well. I've got a newer style rototiller that can go with it. This has the diamond case. You can see what the tines look like. It's got some life left, eh? I don't know if I have the rear belt guide that guides the belt from the bevel box to the tiller. I know I had one, but I can't find it. It might have disappeared. I do have an older tiller, but that you need a gear reduction or a speed reducer. But you can see that that's wider than the old tiller.